teach agriculture, you have to wear a lot of hats and you have to be really brave, because sometimes you're gonna teach something that you are not an expert in and you need to learn it, you need to figure it out, you need to do it safely, and you've got to teach your kids. I love that challenge. I think that we have to view our school as a community. Our Global Foods course is meant to help students understand where their food comes from. We empower students when we teach them to grow their own food, because food is something that we all connect with.
I think the best teachers, and I would definitely put Carly in that category, can't be pinned down or siloed. They are passionate about teaching and even more passionate about learning and exploring and sharing that passion to their students.
Almost 20% of jobs in the United States are directly or indirectly related to agriculture. That may not be working on a farm, that may never be stepping foot on the soil. Even if you aren't going to work in ag, I think everyone needs to take an ag class, because you're going to eat, you're going to wear clothes, and you want to make an educated choice about what you're consuming.
Carly is a person with vision. She has empathy, she understands, she tries to connect with everyone, and then she finds a way to bring everything that she learns about someone into the classroom to make their experiences meaningful and purposeful.
My goal for all of my students, regardless of gender, is for them to see past the boundaries of gender. I had an equal number of students this year, male and female, participating in tractor driving. I think it's really important and valuable that they see women doing all of the things that women can do. In conversations with my students, I've seen my students gain respect for what women can do. It means the world to me to see my students starting to respect the people that will be in their lives in the future. Their girlfriends, their future wives, the future mothers of their children, understanding that they can be turning wrenches. I take my role as a career and technical educator very seriously. I love all things about education, but career and technical education just feels really important to me, because we need our students to be prepared for the workforce. In exposing them to their options and teaching them new things, they can find the things that they're good at, and that really helps a kid who felt less confident in themselves discover that they do have a place in the world.
I think that Carly is very resourceful. She's always part of the solution. She's firm, but loving and caring. And I think that students are looking for that structure, but looking for that comfort and reassurance that they're taken care of.
Teaching now is much more about helping students manage the information that's at their fingertips, and it's something I love to do, and I'm so grateful I get to do it with these kids.